Hi everybody, welcome back. Let's solve another SQL problem. We are almost reached the end of the SQL 50 series. So in this video, let's solve problem number 1484, group sold products by the date. Let's take a look at the problem statement. We have activities table that has sell date and product. There is no primary key for this table, and it may contain duplicates. Each row of this table contains the product name and the date it was sold in a market. So our task is to find for each date the number of different products sold and their names. The sold products names for each date should be sorted lexicographically, meaning in alphabetical order, and we return the result table ordered by sell date. Let's take a look at the example. Here we have activities table, the sell date, and the product that was sold on that date. We see the sell date. We have three sell dates, 5:30, 6:01, and 6:02, and we have to get the number of products sold and the product name. All right, so let's solve this problem. So let's select sell date and the count of product. We call this num sold. Right, from activity, and we group by sell date. Right, let's run this real quick. As you can see here, on May 30th, there were 3 products sold. On June 1st, there were 2, right? And on June 2nd, there was 1, but I'm printing 2. So let's see, second one, there was mask, the second also mask. So we need to count distinct products, right? So let's run that again. Right, so now we have the matching number of num sold here in the expected output. Now the last part, we need to return all the products that were sold. So in order to do that, there's a function called group concat. Combine them together and separate it by a comma. So we concat by sell date, so that's why we are going to use the function called group concat. All right, group concat, and here we are going to concat distinct product because we don't want to concat like same product. For example, mask on June 2nd, we will have mask and comma mask. We need the distinct product name. We order by products because in this statement we want to sort the products names in lexicographically order, so meaning in alphabetical order. So we order by products in ascending order, right? And the separator is comma. In some cases, we want to separate these value by a space or a pipe or other character, but in this case we need to separate by a comma separator. And I'm gonna do comma, and we call this column product. All right, so let's run this again. I think there's a typo. Let's submit that, make sure we pass all the test cases. All right, so runtime 894 milliseconds, beats 29.88% of users with MySQL. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you in another video.